Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will be showing you how to replace your cartridge out of your tub if it's just dripping like that and you know you gotta pay that bill. So, while I do that, you can probably watch me. Yep, don't fall. Alright, cool. Alright, let's see. Make sure you spray some of that in there. Oh, wait a minute. You gotta let the water drain. Oh, my bad. That's my bad. I ain't perfect, but hey, if you can learn something, I did my job. So you spray this inside, because, oh well, I get grimy, and I get allergy inside of it. Then you want to get the right one. What size is that? 2.5. Alright, so you gotta feel around like you fishing. And then you get it, take it off. Why? Take the screwdriver. Bye. Your water. How's the water still on? Ain't you still fixed? Well, there's a trick to that too. Why are you doing that? It's back up already. Alright. Want to play games? Well, if you had caulking, you have to cut around. Be careful. Knife will cut you real nice. Then, inside of here, let me see if I can show you. It's gonna be two dowels, one over there and one right there. Let me see if I can. No flash on that one. Yeah, it's right there. It looked like that. So let's get back over here. Alright. Sorry about that. Anyways, after that, to take your flathead. Why? Make sure it be a nice thick one. Then, it's good to spray this too. So you won't strip the screw. If you do that, you use some world of pain. But try to feel around left or right, not tight, not too tight, but mine's going right to tighten it. Go right to tighten it. Make sure you spray both of them. Sometimes I forget to spray one. Then after that, go right with the cold water. Both right, hot and cold water. Make sure you cut it off. You get some water. And sometimes it's good to spray inside. You want to get loose up in there. Take pliers. Bye. You see that? Lefty loosey. It screws out. I make sure you have the right one now. Alright. I got this off of Amazon. Lower, cheaper than I saw it before. Make sure you put the two dowels must be the same on these two dowels going up on this dowel of model faucet. Make sure you put on there correctly. If you don't, you got a difficult time. I get sticking at the bottom. Right. Make sure you go right, but tighten it up. You don't want to tighten it too hard. You strip, break some pipe in the back of it. Okay. After that, turn the water back on. I cannot stress that enough. The water from mine is okay. Take that. Spun it. Just turn it off. It's a box lock, so yeah, it works better. Then you're gonna make sure you turn it both on. Left. Didn't turn it back on. Right. Let's see. Next, this. Make sure you put your plate back on. And look twice to make sure both sides of the water is on. Alright, this one. You just gotta fill around on that one. I like my 6-in ones. I get this one device that you can flip mode. Switch your Ruby. You don't have to put it down. Oh, excuse me, folks. Excuse me. Sometimes it's good to spray that screw. So the next time you take it off, it'll be better for the nets, dude. So it's just eventually gonna have to be replaced, but not today. I don't have no money like that. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. Okay. Not too tight, but just tight enough. Alright. Then after that, I don't have caulking today, so you use your caulk around there so the water won't drip down behind the wall. I have to do that tomorrow. Anywho, spray inside of the screw because it gets all that mess in it. Allergy, green allergy. They didn't have another one in stock, so I couldn't change mine. So it'll be replaced when I replace the faucet. Make sure the box match it with the box, cause you don't want to strip it. Unfortunately, this water gonna be young, and then it goes off because of pressure. Then you want to take that 2.5 again, put it back on. Alright, let's see. The water not on because the main water is not off in the garage too. So, I'll be back. Can't take it to my house yet. I'll be back. I'm gonna turn that on. Oh, it fell. Alright, give me 1 minute. Then let's go test it. Wow, on the money. Let it drain. That's about 1 minute. It'll stop. That's how you stop it. Tune in for more videos.